Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and the video that you just watched was the very first time I took my Bebop 2 out to fly it. I had just gotten it, and that would be next month. It would be 2 years ago. I got it in November of 2016, and this is 2018. And so anyway, that young man that was with me there, that's my youngest son. His name is Bruce. And I let him fly it that day too, but I didn't include that in all the video. Anyway, so the other day he was visiting with me, and he said, "Now, if you were going to upgrade to a new drone, what would you get?" Well, there's no way I can upgrade. First of all, I'm living on Social Security plus a few dollars that comes in from my website, and I mean just a few. And so there's no way I could upgrade. In fact, I guess you could probably say I just have to trust the Lord for everything that comes in. So anyway, I just dreaming, I said, well, I'd probably get a Mavic Pro, because that's about the best you can get, unless you want to go into the 701 or 107 or whatever it is and buy the fancy stuff, which I can't afford. So anyway, we went on in our conversation. And today he shows up at the door, and he's got a package. No, I'm sorry, it's not a Mavic Pro. He showed up with a Mavic 2 Zoom, which, as far as I know, is the top of the line. I have no idea anything about that. Plus, he went a little overboard, and he brought me the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. I don't know what's in there. He says there's extra batteries in there, and there's a pack to carry it in. So anyway, he loves me. I love him. We've been good buddies for many years, and of course from the day he was born. So this video is going to be me opening up something I know nothing about, but plan to learn. And by the way, my Bebop friends, I still have my Bebop, and I still have my Bebop tutorials, and I'm still going to help with Bebop issues, and I'm not deserting the Bebop family. I've got a lot of friends around the world that I have made because of that drone. So that drone has been a blessing to my heart. So now I'm going to change the camera a little bit, and we're going to open these up and see what they look like. It's going to be a surprise to me. All right, let's get started with this. I'll get my knife out. I watched a few videos of Dustin Dunhill, and if you haven't watched his videos, you're missing out. He reviews a lot of things, and one of the things that he reviewed was this drone, and I was impressed with the things it can do. And this is like Christmas for me. So I hope I'm getting a good video here of what's going on. And it looks like, oh, here it says open. So, okay. Looks like that comes out of there. We'll see what happens here. Put that over there. And we'll set this over here, out of the way. And maybe that comes up like that. How about that? What do you say about that? Looks pretty nice. We'll pull this out. And Dustin said, be careful not to touch the sensors. And if you do, then clean them up. So there we go. There's the drone. And this is the controller. And I like these antennas. The friend of mine had a Mavic Pro. We went out to the park that I always go to. And he far exceeded the distance that he could fly with his Mavic Pro compared to what I could do with my Bebop. So I'm looking forward to being able to fly long distances without having to do a flight plan. Let's see if that opens up like that. Well, you know what? You got to be smarter than the box. Maybe that's where it is. Okay. And oh yeah, there's a little adapter of some kind. Don't want to lose that. We'll just lay him in there. Oh yeah, these are little parts. Looks like USB cables and more USB cables. So that's what we've got in that box. And we'll have to read the manual. Oops. Okay. I could cut that out of the video, but it wouldn't be like Helder's if I did that. So let's see what we've got here. We'll open this up. And fortunately, I think I see a manual. And yeah, there's some manuals. And looks like we got a couple of sets of props. And the weight of this tells me it's probably the battery. See if we, oh, there we go. So set that there. Yep, there's the battery. And don't know what this is, but we'll figure it out as time goes by. Okay, so there we go. We've got that part opened up, and we'll just put it all to the put it all aside for now. Man, that thing is heavy. I don't see how it could be off the ground, but it will, I suppose. Put those guys over there, and put this. Well, we'll just move this over here. We'll get this guy here, and looks like maybe I need to run my knife down along there. Looks like I'll be doing some reading tonight, and then maybe tomorrow I'll go to the park and experiment with this guy. Alright, so where does it open up? Looks like it might open up right there. Okay, so I'll pull that out, and it looks like another manual. Put him there, and looks like a zipper. Put stuff in. We'll lift that up. That probably keeps it closed. Who knows? How do I get this open? Oh, there we go. This is a total surprise. I love that boy of mine, and he loves me, I know for sure. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, looks like a portable charger to go in the car. That's what I'm guessing. And what do we have here? Whoop, careful. Well, oh, that might be a battery for the controller or something. And here's another, looks like another drone battery, maybe. No, I don't know what that is. But we're going to find out as time goes. I'll just have to read. And what is this? Let's see what it is. I've got to keep the wrapping just in case it doesn't work. I'll take it back. Oh, this is a strap. Okay. So that's pretty cool. Got a strap, and there's more things down here. What do we got down here? Way down in there. Maybe I open this up. Does this open up? Oh, there's stuff here. Looks like extra props, maybe. Yeah, that's what that is. So we'll just put that back there, and we'll forget where they are, and then when I need props, I'll have to order them. What do we got down here? Oh, that's a battery. That's a battery. Look at that. I think that's everything. Wow. that is something. That is really, I am so thankful. In fact, I don't even know how to say thank you to my son. But anyway, Bruce, my son, I love you, and thank you very much. Maybe we'll have a video coming up with me out at the park flying this thing. But that'll be tomorrow because I got to figure things out first here. So anyway, thank you folks for watching, and stay tuned for a flight. And my bebop friends, haven't forgotten you, and my bebop is still flyable, and I'll still be using it. I think right away though I'm going to figure this thing out. So anyway, thanks for watching, and God bless you.